Okay, so here we have our O-scope set up on a very slow time trace, and I have my crystal here. My crystal is just inside of some aluminum foil in a beaker, and I don't have it hooked up to any sources right now. And I've invented a special kind of detector that can convert psychotronic energy into electronic energy so that we can measure it. So let's bring our crystal close to this guy. You can see we see a dip there. We pull it away and it goes up. Let's bring it back again. Energy will dip down when I bring it close to the crystal and pull away, and it brings back up. It's not a big change. I probably need a amplifier in there, but when I have bigger psychotronic signals, this has a much bigger deflection. Of course, I don't know anybody else who has a detector that can detect psychotronic energy at all. So, I mean, this is on the 20 millivolt scale, 20 millivolts per division. Okay, so let's bring it back again. Okay, and bring it back away. Definitely a huge change. I'll just let it run for a while. Okay. Here again. Okay, so this detector also is sensitive to energy from you. Alright. And what if I breathe on the detector? Again, it seems to be sensitive to pretty much all the things that we have tested before that seem to generate psychotronic energy. And I've done quite a few extensive tests with this detector, this guy right here. And let's see, what else do we got around here? Here is neodymium magnet. Oh, see, that's why I don't like to use magnets, but again, the detector did respond to it here. So pretty much all the things that produce psychotronic energy put the palm of my hand near it. Okay. Definitely a big dip right here when I brought my hand near it. So anyway, here's a device that I invented that turns changes in the psychotronic energy field around the detector into electronic impulses or electronic signals that I can measure on an oscilloscope. And this makes it a lot easier to study psychotronic energy, or if you want to call it N-rays, or which I'll talk a little bit more about, or Orgon energy or OD energy. As far as I can tell, this energy is a new energy source, new type of energy, not currently recognized by conventional science. And here's a detector right here that is able to measure it and convert it into electronic signals. Okay, let's just try one more thing. Since we want to make sure that it's not sensitive to dielectric and or some other material thing, I'll just use a straw here, and I'll just blow through the straw, and that will keep the rest of my body away from it, and see if that affects the response of this detector. Okay. Okay, and it looks like just blowing through the straw, the psychotronic energy from my breath does affect the detector without having to place any other part of my body near it. it does look like there's definitely a dip in the response at these 2 points when I'm blowing. Okay. Anyway, so here's a electronic detector for psychotronic energy, and we'll just let it run past where I blew before and show that the baseline is actually going to be higher without me blowing there. Whoops, yeah, I got my finger too close to it. Anyway, so normal baseline is higher. Anyway, this is Dr. Janes, and thanks for watching.